welcome to my first vlog. So today we're not gonna be in like cooking with Diska segment. Today I'm gonna vlogging. So today is about my prep because tomorrow we're going for camping, like for camping for one night only, but like for the lunch and dinner we're gonna do like barbecue there. But because of course, you know, like when you doing too much prep there and then it takes time and, you know, just like wasting your time, so I'm gonna prep like a little bit things that I'm gonna bring it tomorrow. So today I'm gonna prep chicken that I use for barbecue tomorrow, and I'm gonna make chicken satay as well. Come in. So I'm gonna make like barbecue roast chicken, and I use this yellow paste Indonesian marination for the roast chicken. I'm gonna boil the chicken with the marination, so tomorrow it's easy for us. Just, you know, just turn a little bit in the pan and that's it. Just put all the chicken, put all the paste. So the paste is basically onion, garlic, turmeric, galangal, ginger, lemongrass, a little bit coriander, all Indonesian spices. Just put water a little bit. Not too much, because, you know, while we boil the chicken itself is gonna come out of water from it. And on the heat, just medium heat. Just put a little bit salt. We're gonna let the chicken simmer until it's cooked and the water the water is absorbed to the chicken. So meanwhile, I'm gonna marinate chicken satay. So for the chicken satay, I have chicken dice. You can use breast or chicken thigh. I have like a mixed bit with chicken dice, and I have mixed chicken breast and chicken thigh. So for satay itself, I don't really like too heavy marination, because, you know, like satay usually we eat it with peanut sauce, so I like it with light marination. So for the marination, I'm just gonna use salt, coriander powder, pepper, and turmeric powder. Just a bit more. And I like used garlic powder. Oopsie. Just mix well. I'm gonna eat sweet soya sauce or kecap manis in Indonesia. And we're gonna put in the skewer for tomorrow. chicken to the bag and we're going to vacuum and seal it. Check our chicken now. That's perfect. I didn't even put more water, but the water is come out itself from the chicken. The chicken is cooked now. I'm gonna turn it off the heat and let it cool before we store it. Okay guys, my prep is ready. It's finished now. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and for tomorrow I'm also gonna bring sweet soy sauce and margarines for the basting when I grill the chicken satay and the roast chicken. And also, other than this, I also gonna bring some sausages, eggs, and probably a instant noodle. So hopefully you can get inspiration from my preparation for picnic. So you don't have to bring just the ordinary one, like always sausages, always like steak. Now you can also use like traditional one to bring to your picnic. So guys, see you tomorrow. I will bring you with me tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Guys, so it's 6:30 in the morning now. I'm at my mom's place, so we're waiting the boys to get ready to put our food in the ice cake. Hi guys, so we're on the way now with mom and with Bunda there. So we're going off to Brockman Lake. We're going to picnic for one day and overnight, yeah, and for camping, not for picnic, yeah, for camping, yeah. And then it takes 1 hour and a half driving from Perth to the lake, and in here only girls, and the boys is in another car there at the front. So we're gonna have fun and we'll see you there. See ya. So start from now, there's no more smooth road. We're gonna go through rough and dirty and bumpy road. The adventure is start now. Are you ready, Mom?
Yep.
Okay, you can do this. Let's go. So from this is another how many kilometers until we arrive?
15-minute drive.
15-minute drive. About maybe 10 kilometers? No.
5
Maybe 5 kilometers.
It's only 20
until we arrive our destination. Hi guys, finally we're here. Look at the beautiful forest. Look at the beautiful lake. Nice, isn't it? So now we're gonna have a look What's mom pack? Look at this. This is only one car, and we're gonna look for another car. We only camping for one night, but look at this. Full on, eh? That's what mom packing. So the boys scraping out the ground, so when we put the tent on, it's not gonna be too rough and not too much pebble in it. This is our new tent, and this is our first time to use it. Already now in Lake Brockman. While the boys just set up the tent, I'm going to prepare just a bit breakfast, quick breakfast. I'm just gonna saute some what you call it, this one, mushroom, tomato and spring onion. I also have sausages, and where's the it is baked bean. That's all, mom. And oh, we also have rice in the making here. Rice, look good. Oil. This is nice. Blue bean from Indonesia. Spring onion. I can't cook rice in here. I usually cook in rice cooker or in microwave.
This is how you do it.
Add the tomato and spring onion. Put our mushroom now. Just cook until the mushroom gets softened a little bit. So unfortunately we don't have salt pepper, but it's okay. This, you know, is the mushroom flavor, and
we have the soy.
It's ready now. And what next? I think the sausages. Just gonna put another margarine. Add the sausage now. Finish now. And next is eggs. Who wants egg? We're gonna make eggs now. Just make sunny side up.
I've got some things in here. Can openers, tongs, forks and knives, spoons.
So for breakfast today we have sauteed mushroom, sausage, eggs, and this is the cooking prep mom and Bunda made last night. What is like sambal balado, potato and chicken, and then tofu and prawn, tauco. Tauco is from soybean, yeah, and a little bit noodles.
One like this, one like that.
I think I better use hands.
$400 to buy that.
Mm-hmm.
Down to
Can I have one? Then why don't you sit there?
Yum. Finish. Now it's time for us to playing with the water. So the sun is nearly set now, so we're going to have a dinner, and then this time mom gonna cook, and we're just gonna use the prep meat that we prepped last night, the chicken and the satay. Just put in the fry pan, and mom also prepped some beef. Marinate beef, is it mom? It's marinate?
Marinate, yeah.
And of course, we're going to eat it with rice.
Do you have oven? No. You don't have oven? That's alright.
So mom putting a basting for the satay and for the roast chicken. This is a traditional way for chicken roast and satay. And I also bring some this is a andaliman sambal, terasi sambal. Kamera.
Satay? Yeah, this one. Maybe you try the one. Maybe it's marinate. This is a big one.
Hi, good morning guys. I'm making fried rice now for our last breakfast. So I'm making this just from the leftover rice we had last night, and my sambal and sweet soya sauce, eggs, and this morning I also make some bread, sunny side up, and the sausages. So it's gonna be our last breakfast today, and after this we're going to swim some more, then we're gonna go home. If you like my kind of vlog like this today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration about cooking, traveling, and eating. And please let me know in comment down below if you like if you want me to do more vlogging like this. Thank you very much for watching me today, and see you next time. Bye.